This video is proudly brought to you by Web3bridge with Lex, our official sponsors for Cohort 11.
In this video, we will be talking about Multicall.
Multicall is the process of batching several functions into a particular function to make calls onto the blockchain. Let's say, for example, you need to interact with the blockchain like multiple times, but then Multicall makes it possible for you to make those multiple calls into one particular call and one particular function. It's very useful in situations where you need to interact with the blockchain multiple times, but then you use Multicall to make that call once and execute those particular functions.
One of the reasons why Multicall is necessary is it improves user experience. So if you have used a decentralized application before, you must have seen that you have to sign every transaction yourself, which is very necessary and important for security and some other reasons. But with Multicall, instead of you having to sign every single transaction, approving everything at once, it could be bashed together and a lot of things can be sent at once and then it's approved, and then you just have to approve once for a lot of things to happen. It improves the user experience for you. And then for scalability, as the need for interaction increase on the blockchain, it helps in scalability. Multicall helps for gas optimization, so it reduces the amount of gas that you pay, because for each you would have paid different gas for each transaction, but now you are just paying one gas for the batch transaction. You can't actually overemphasize the importance of Multicall.
We have three main types of Multicall. We have the simple Multicall, we have the dynamic Multicall, and the batch Multicall. And as my colleague has spoken earlier, they majorly focus on the batch Multicall. So basically, Multicall makes it easier to call a particular function multiple times in our smart contracts. If we want to get some data at once, Multicall makes it easier. Instead of signing that particular transaction every time, calling that particular function multiple times. So Multicall batch the transaction altogether and then return the response to us at once. So this would have been possible without the Multicall contract, which was founded by MakerDAO. So basically, Multicall is very, very important in writing of smart contracts, in writing of our DApps. Multicall is very, 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 very much important. It makes it easier for the developer and as well the user experience, because if we decide to sign a particular transaction multiple times, it's an overkill for the user, which they might lose interest in that particular DApp. So with Multicall, we can batch a particular transaction multiple times.